नमस्कार, स्वागत आहे महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग. निश्चय दमदार, विजय शानदार. And the match is lined up for day 3 of the Maharashtra Premier League. Match number 4, and that's the afternoon match. Ratnagiri Jets taking on the Raigad Royals. Ratnagiri Jets have won the toss and they have decided to field first. A fresh surface on day 3 of the Maharashtra Premier League. Let's quickly have a look at the playing 11 of the Ratnagiri Jets. The skipper Azim Kazi, Dheeraj Patangare, Abhishek Pawar, Divyang Hingnekar, Nikhil Naik. Raigad Royals as well. They played a match last evening, could not win it. It's Siddesh Veer, captain Vishant More. There's Rohan Marwa, Mehul Patel. Siddesh Veer, the opener for the Raigad Royals, the Solapur Royals last year. Vishant More didn't have a good evening yesterday. For the Ratnagiri Jets, it's going to be Pradeep Dadhe. Yes. Pradeep. Nice carry there. Some extra effort in that first ball.
It's about the youngsters. On the money with the bounce. Trusted.
Goes for it again. This time the connection's a little better. Yes, it's going all the way. Skipper, is that a catch chance? Oh yes. First ball duck. Divyang Hingnekar. In the dugout. Going for the big one against the left-hander, and he's connected that well is Mehul Patel, and that'll be a boundary. Is an outside edge? Oh yes, it is.
सिद्धेश को 15 रन बना के वापस पवेलियन जाना होगा. 30 पे 2.
In the air, chance, oh, straight through the two fielders there. Mehul was a little lucky. Chipped over mid-on, smart batting. Very good score, projected score tells us. Nicely done with the spin. Circle. Nicely bowled, and yes, that's a wicket. Oh, that's a typical left arm spin.
Very experienced bowler. Played it very away from his body and caught at extra cover. Out for 24, 19 balls. अच्छा निर्णय अंपायर का. हवा में गेंद यहाँ पर. ये कैच हो सकता है और बढ़िया कैच लेफ्ट पे जाके भागकर.
And that is where Rishabh Rathod has to walk back out on 7. 61.
Pick up a wicket or two here. You can put a dent in that confidence, and straight away
out of the crease because Marwa here. And Vicky Ostwal plays that one officially. What's the verdict there? And he's gone. Caught at long.
फंसाया अपनी गेंदबाजी के जाल में विकी ओसवाल. उनके पास मिडिल ओवर में भी है, शुरुआत में भी हवा में गेंद है. आउट. योगेश चौहान ने उनकी पहली विकेट पहला झटका उनके गेंद से. वेदांत पाटिल 3 पर.
Gay is the call. Another chance. 2 fielders coming under it. 91 for the loss of 8 wickets. And that's out. As easy as they come. Azim Kazi.
पिछले 2 बल्लेबाज भी ऐसे ही आउट हुए और रवि जिंगड़ का नहीं, आराम से कैच पकड़ा. रिवर्स स्वीप यहाँ पर. शॉट्स तो आ रहे हैं और ये पहला चौका.
In its system. Satyajit Bachau comes in to bowl and he picks up another wicket. 3 in the first match, 3 in this match. Contribution from any of the batters. Siddesh was looking good in the power play but got out on 15. Mehul 24, Rohan Marwa 18, Vicky Oswal 17. But that is where the bowlers were on top for the Ratnagiri Jets. Whether it were the 2 left-arm spinners or the off-spinner or Divyang Hingnekar with his left-arm medium pace. And that is what reflects in the bowling card as well. Divyang Hingnekar 2 overs, 14 runs and 2 wickets. Yogesh Chauhan 4 overs, 12 dot balls. That included a double wicket maiden, 2 for 19. Satyajit Bachau 3.1 overs, 8 dot balls, 3 for 14. And the captain Azim Kazi 3 overs, 11 dot balls and 3 for 11. If you have a look at the fall of wickets, target for the Ratnagiri Jets in their allotted 20 overs is going to be 103 runs. The Ratnagiri Jets, Kolhapur Tuskers, due to that, they're already on the top of the pack player. Couldn't create much of an impact.
Full toss.
Oh, swing, yes. The ball was pitched perfect. Important 6 overs on his leg, and that'll be the first runs. Nicely clipped away over the field.
His hand, you're in good positions. But this time, Nikhil makes a comeback. Was looking to use his feet, Dheeraj, but
I mentioned keep first over again. Will he be picking up a wicket? And yes, he does. It's going to be Dheeraj who will have to walk back. Yeah, there we go. He scored 4 for 1 at the Jets.
in the innings before he gets set.
Swept well. Baitak Marley.
कुछ इस तरीके से दर्शकों के बीच में लंबा गहरा विशाल वो छक्का.
Ball in the power play, economy of 4, but he's been hammered. There it goes again, sweep again.
Performances, but this it should have been stopped. और फिर ऑफ साइड पे कट किया था. मिसफील्ड के चलते 4 रन. The game from here. Found the gap perfectly, you'd say, between the wicket keeper.
Comes down the track, connects well, gets 4. Yes, there we go, fielder at long on, chance no ways. Straight over him, 6 runs to end the 5th.
प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं.
That's in the air. And
Back from the injury, this was wide outside the off stump, trying to play pick shot, top edge, caught at third man. Tao Pawar, 19, back to the pavilion. Very time दो उनको. अब बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, ये रुकने वाले नहीं है. मिड विकेट की दिशा पर.
Pritham continues that attacking instinct, but this time
Savia Gajraj there in the deep mid wicket did a very good job. Good running catch, well inside the boundary rope. Pritham walks back for 33 of 16.
oh, nicely played. All that he had to do was just give it direction. Nicely cut away. And that will be about for India left arm spinner. We'll welcome Mr. Maninder Singh with that 6. What a welcome to the afternoon.
बिल्कुल यही बात. What a lovely hit that was. Look at that body position.
Really well. Oh, that's a shot. A reverse sweep for a 6. Oh, charismatic Qazi bringing all.
So the scores are level now. Very short. Bad delivery. Got the treatment that it needed or that it asked.
A run to win. And he gets the gap there with a boundary. Azam Qazi does it for his team. In the previous match, he was
He bowled earlier. That was again that speed. He just had to open the face of the bat. All the fielders were inside the 30-yard circle. And
They won this match. Their net run rate was 2.77. That'll definitely on the table higher than Kolhapur Tuskers. That's how they emerged winners in the first season. The match summary: Raigad Royals bowled out for 102 in 18.1 overs. Mehul Patel 24, Rohan Bawa 18, but Azam Qazi 3 wickets, Satyajit Bachao 3 wickets. The 2 left-arm spinners combining really well to pick up 6 wickets, and then with a target of 103, they chased that down, losing just 3 wickets. Pritham Patil 33, Azam Qazi not out 28. Ratnagiri Jets winning this match by 7 wickets and 2 points in the first match, 2 points in the second match.